Owner training for a tiny house septic system starts with a concise checklist and hands-on demonstration so owners operate the system correctly from day one. Begin by explaining system basics in plain language, where the septic tank, distribution box, and drainfield sit relative to the tiny house and why each part matters for treatment and flow. Show risers and access points, label lids, and walk through how to open each cover safely with the right tools and gloves. Demonstrate a pump test by running a known volume of water through fixtures and watching the alarm and pump cycle, and then show how to trigger and silence the alarm and reset the float switch if the system has one. Teach how to inspect for surface pooling, unusual odors, or mushy ground which indicate failure modes, and how to document those observations in the logbook. Provide a do and do not list that covers household product choices, water conservation tactics, and disposal rules, including avoiding flushing grease, wipes, chemical drain cleaners, or non-biodegradable items. Finally, set a schedule for routine tasks such as scum and sludge checks, pumping frequency based on tank size and occupancies, and arranging a first-year professional inspection to confirm system settling and component function. The most common mistakes include overusing water and exceeding the tiny house inflow capacity, which leads to short-circuiting and premature clogging, so space out major water uses and install efficient fixtures to reduce peak flows. Another issue is flushing inappropriate items which cause pump and drainfield damage, so provide a clear do not list in the owner manual and place visible reminders by toilets and sinks. A third frequent problem is lack of documented maintenance and contacts, which makes diagnosing issues slow and expensive. So keep a simple logbook, note every pump or inspection, and maintain a list of local service contacts and parts suppliers so repairs are fast. We built BigHomeProjects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work related to septic and other home projects. We also host a discussion community on the site where owners and professionals exchange tips, ask questions, and post local recommendations.